Toledo.
Alright, hey everyone, we're back. We've been MIA for a while, and that's because of a few reasons, not least of which we have had the flu for a while now, and we're only just now starting to feel better. We probably still sound a little funky.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, it threw us for a loop. That's the first time I think we've ever actually had the flu, like proper flu. And it's our fault for not getting the vaccine, so...
Yeah, we'll definitely be getting it next year. Lesson learned.
Never.
And, not only because we don't want to get it again, but also because we don't want to spread it to somebody who might have a weaker immune system than we do, so...
Yeah, never not doing that again.
Yeah.
So we're actually in the house I grew up in Alabama. My parents are letting us stay with them while we wait on the van, which is going to be here hopefully within the next few weeks. We're really excited to get it and get out of here. Not because it's not great being home, but we really want to get back on the road again. So since we last spoke, a few things have happened. We got the bus ready for our buyer, and our buyer bought it. Diane Ourbus is no longer Diane Ourbus, and we have a lot of feelings about that. But it was weird seeing the bus empty and seeing it without all of our stuff in it.
It was. I mean, everything we had went into that build. We touched every inch of that bus, from gutting it out to putting all of the wood and stuff back in, like blood, sweat, and tears. Everything they say is true, and so emptying it out and getting it ready to have a new owner was kind of a weird experience.
It felt strange. We had become so familiar with it because it was home for a full year. And
not only was it home for a full year, but it was what we obsessed over for 3 years.
For 3 years, yeah. I mean, that was what, we were synonymous with school buses for 3 years.
And that's like almost all we thought about.
Yeah.
Especially during the conversion, every waking thought was like, what should we do next on the bus?
Right.
What's the next project and stuff. So not having that associated with us anymore is a weird thing.
Yeah, it is. But we had a great experience selling it. Our buyer was really, really great to work with. He was a great person. He gave us what we wanted for it, and we're really pleased with that. I think he's going to have a great time with her, so we can't wait to see how he uses her and how he upgrades her and all of that other stuff. So we'll be following them along, and we're hoping that we can see her on the road again at some point.
That would be crazy.
Kind of funny. But yeah, seeing it empty was weird. It was such a strange thought, such a strange thing, and as we watched it drive away, we were like, I don't know, it didn't feel real, and it's still setting in. It's still sinking in, and it's been sold for a couple months now, and it's...
That long?
Almost, yeah. At least a month, yeah.
I guess you're about a month or so.
So it still feels strange, but the day after we sold it, we ordered the van, and so it's officially on order. We're waiting, so they said at the time 6 to 8 weeks for delivery, because we're having it built out. It's brand new. We've never bought a brand new vehicle before, so this is a first for us, and so we're waiting on it now. So 6 to 8 weeks, and now it's been, I guess, 3 weeks since that.
I guess so.
So we're waiting on a VIN number, and once we have a VIN number, it should take only 2 weeks, but we haven't gotten a VIN number yet. So we'll see. But we're really pumped to get things going. We've started buying appliances for the build, and so hopefully once it gets here, we can hit the ground running immediately and hopefully finish the build in record time, because that would be solid. But it's officially 2020 now. I wanted to have this video done several days ago, but the flu just kicked our butts, and we've been literally in this room for 4 days, almost like entirely. We've tried to
quarantine ourselves.
Yeah.
Try not to get anybody else sick. So far, it's been successful.
So far, it's good. But anyway, so yeah, it's 2020 now, and we were thinking about it. It's the time to reflect right now because, the bus is gone. We're waiting on the van, and it's the end of the year, of 2019, and so we're looking back and we're looking at all the fun things that we did in the bus and all of the things that made us want to do a van and all of the things that made us want to do more of that lifestyle and to have more of that. We have a taste, and now we want it all the time, more.
Yeah.
Bigger and more.
Bigger and more. So we put together a video of some of our favorite memories from this past year, and I just got to see it for the first time. Zach's been hard at work on this video, and it's really cool to get to relive those moments. So we're excited to share those with you.
Yeah, some of them, some of the footage you haven't seen before. So I hope you guys enjoy our 2019 in review / tribute to Diane. So hope you guys enjoy.
And Happy New Year.
Oh, well, Happy New Year.
It's cold and I don't want to get up.
Everything in the bus has a coating of dust.
Stop! I'm scared.
Soundstripe.
skoolie life, bus life, living on the road, it's all pushing me out of my comfort zone, and it's just, I really feel myself growing.
These are really teeny, they don't have a very big taper.
Tiff got her first fish.